Alright, hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my favorite OBDeleven apps in action. The last time I showed you guys a video like this, I really only went over whatever was on my screen instead of showing you the actual functions of these applications. The only reason why I'm doing top 3 is because these are the only ones I can really show you in a video. Of course, I think I also mentioned in my video that for the top 5, the ones I will not be including in this video would be the sound actor to turn off. It's really hard to show a difference. I never really filmed it before, kind of a before and after. But if you guys were wondering what it is, it's just a little rumbling thing that is in your dashboard, and it creates a false exhaust note, but it sounds pretty good. And some people turn it off, some people keep it on. It's really to each his own. So anyway, on that note, we're gonna talk about the 3 functions that I absolutely love with OBDeleven, and they're must-haves. It's honestly something well worth getting OBDeleven, and I'm not paid to say that. I really wish I was. And OBDeleven, if you guys are watching, hey, I'm your guy. The first function we're going to go, because we're inside the car, I'm going to show you guys a mirrors dip when the car is in reverse. So you'll see right here, we have to make sure this is always on R, which is your right mirror, and that just means, and also just keep in mind, it doesn't dip your left mirror. As you can see, we'll put the car in reverse. It just will not dip the left mirror. What we're going to do is we're going to put the car put the mirror in the right setting. We're going to put the car in reverse, and here we go. And boom, just like that, we have the whole ground, all of the ground below us, and it really helps if you guys look around too. You can sort of see the wheel there, which makes parking really easy, and parking on the side of the road really easy. In fact, like, it's weird, I pull in, but then I always back in just to make sure I'm like perfect amount of space from the curb. It's a great function, and of course you can do that manually, but you can also do it automatically with OBDeleven. So super awesome function. I really like it. Alright, so for this next function, we're going to, this is kind of really hard to show, but for the most part, I really want to show you guys just so you kind of get an idea of it. So before the car, when it came factory, you would pull this down, or you would touch it, and it would say traction off. Now, it's pretty normal. It comes from the factory that way. That has not changed through OBDeleven. However, now if I turn it back on again, it'll say traction activated. I apologize for the bad lighting. That's my apologies. But anyway, so if I hold it down, we'll try to show both screens at once. So I hold the button down now. As you guys can see, we have ESC completely off. It's been completely deactivated. And so now the car can go sideways. And I've never gone sideways in the car. I'm kind of scared to. I've done handbrake turns and everything, but I don't really think I've done that with ESC off, so I'm kind of scared to. You know, it's reserved for maybe only a track day, but that's a cool function. And if you guys are really into track days, or if you really like to, or if you know your car well and you really want to test the limit of it, that's a really cool function, and I highly recommend it. It's done through, you can do it through Vagicom. You can do all these things also through Vagicom, but OBDeleven offers this for 10 credits, so it's kind of well worth it. And you can do different variants as well. I chose just ESC off, but you can do a more sportier ESC and traction control. So anyway, that's really cool. It's a function I really enjoy. All right, so I know this happens to all of you guys. It happens to me plenty. You walk away from your car, you lock it up, and you look back, and the windows are completely open, and you can't do a darn thing about it because you've walked away from the car. You have to get back in your car, put the ignition on, and then close the windows. However, with OBDeleven, you need not worry, because now you can close the windows just with the key. So if you hold the key in the lock position, I'm set up where I can close all windows, but open only my driver's window. So we'll hop to the driver's side. All right, so if I hold my unlock button, it'll open my driver's window, which is super convenient on hot days. I really like that function. It's just a great function. It makes living with this thing super easy. So these are my top 3 functions with the OBDeleven that I absolutely love. You guys really need to get one. And again, like I said, I'm not paid to say that. And you guys know, with whoever has an OBDeleven that's watching this video, you guys, you know, it makes living really awesome. There's a lot of cool functions, especially with cars that are more equipped with radar, cruise control, or adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist. There are different applications and different ways to go about that. Every single time I go out of this vehicle and I get out and I, you know, walk to wherever I'm going, I typically forget to close a window, and instead of just having to jump in the car, I can now close the windows with the lock switch, and I just hold it down, it'll close the windows for me, and you can't beat that. It's one of my, that's probably the favorite. Mirror dip is also up there as well, and of course this traction control, completely eliminating it, is also pretty awesome, because as you guys know, these cars, they spin a lot, but when you get that launch perfect, you want all of your power, and when it cuts your power, it just ruins your launch. These are great applications to use, and I highly recommend it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.